Give me 2 minutes and I will explain you everything that you need to know about Webflow versus Elementor. I will explain what they are, how they work, and also where the differences are in terms of design, flexibility, and also scalability, so that you can ultimately decide for your next project what's the right fit. Let's start simple. Elementor is a plugin for WordPress. You install it and then you can quickly build new landing pages by dragging and dropping elements around. It's great if you are already using WordPress and you want to build new sites just by visually arranging new elements. Webflow, on the other hand, is a standalone SaaS platform. It is not tied to WordPress at all. Indeed, it's a competitor, and it's a place where you can actually design, build, and then ultimately publish the website all in one place. It gives you full control over layout, CMS, and SEO without the need of external plugins or hosting. Think of it as combining the freedom that you have in Figma with the power of front-end development, everything together in your browser. So, how do they work in practice? In Elementor, you work with pre-made blocks and widgets. It's super fast to start with, and ultimately it lives inside WordPress. So it will be a little bit limited to the theme and also the customization that you were already doing. Webflow works differently. It lets you design directly on top of HTML and CSS, but in a more visual way. You are not sticking templates together. You are actually creating real production-ready code that is also super clean. That is also the reason why it appeals to both designers and developers. It's fast, flexible, and accurate to how the web actually works. So what are the real differences? In terms of performance, Webflow sites are super fast by default. Clean code, optimized hosting, and a global CDN. Elementor sites on the other side can also perform super well, but you need to take care of the hosting and a lot of the things that would automatically happen inside Webflow. Design freedom. Elementor gives you structured content blocks, and Webflow gives you all of the creative freedoms. Full control over each element, spacing, animations, and everything that is out there. When it comes to CMS and scalability, Elementor uses WordPress's post system. That one works fine for blogs or smaller websites. Webflow CMS is built for more complex websites. So no matter if you have multiple languages, a lot of content, or also many things to customize, Webflow CMS is working for you. When it comes to maintenance with Elementor, you need to handle everything yourselves. Updates, security issues, and all sorts of things. When it comes to Webflow, they are literally taking care of everything. It's a SaaS solution, so they have experts that take care of security, updates, new features, and it's actually fully managed, so you don't need to manually install new plugins or updates. Question now is, which one should you choose? If you are already in the WordPress ecosystem and you just need something to make building pages a little bit easier, Elementor might be the way to go. But if you care about modern design, long-term scalability, a lot of security, and less maintenance, then you should check out Webflow. Ultimately, it's the tool that more and more startups, agencies, and companies are using because it's literally working. At Magier, we have built over 100 websites in Webflow over the last 3 years, and we have seen with our clients how much happier they are because marketing and design ultimately works together, and they can also see it in their results. If you are ready to design your next website in Webflow, hit me up, send me a DM, and we can talk about it. And also, if you like the content about marketing design that I was doing here on the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, and ultimately, I'm ending off with the question, what do you think? What's more powerful, Elementor or Webflow? Put it in the comments below and see you in the next video.